Welcome. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about programming your Tesla Model Y key fob. We'll guide you through the pairing process, configuration options, and how to test its remote functions. Although Tesla is moving toward digital keys, the key fob is still a viable option and a core feature for vehicle access. First, enter your Model Y and ensure it's in park mode. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Locks, and select Add Key Fob. The screen will prompt you to activate the fob. Simultaneously, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob for 2 to 3 seconds. The touchscreen will confirm the pairing once complete. If you encounter any issues, make sure the fob's battery, CR2032, is not depleted. Once your key fob is paired, you can customize various settings to enhance your driving experience. Walk-away locking automatically secures your Model Y when you walk away with the key fob. This uses low-energy Bluetooth and ultra-wideband technology to detect when you're a safe distance from the vehicle. Access these settings on the vehicle's touchscreen by navigating to Controls, then Locks. Here you can enable or disable walk-away locking and other security features. The honk and flash feature provides both audible and visual confirmation when you lock or unlock your vehicle remotely using the key fob. You can also configure these settings through the Tesla mobile app in the Security or Controls section, where you'll find options for remote locking, flashing lights, and honking. Keep in mind that some settings, like walk-away locking, may be temporarily disabled in special modes such as camp mode, which keeps the vehicle awake for camping purposes. These customizable settings help personalize your Tesla Model Y's security features to match your preferences. After pairing and configuring your key fob, begin testing by walking away from the car to ensure the auto lock feature works. This tests that the vehicle automatically locks when you move out of range. Next, test the manual lock and unlock buttons by pressing them individually. The lock button should secure all doors, while the unlock button should allow access to the vehicle. Test the frunk and trunk release buttons. The frunk button opens the front trunk, while the trunk button opens the rear cargo area. These allow convenient access without using the touchscreen. If your Model Y is equipped with remote start, press and hold the designated button to start the engine remotely. This feature allows you to warm up or cool down the vehicle before entering. Finally, test the panic button by pressing it briefly. This should activate the vehicle's alarm system, including lights and horn, which can help in emergency situations or deter potential threats. If you're experiencing pairing failures with your Tesla Model Y key fob, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try replacing the key fob battery. Tesla key fobs use a standard CR2032 battery that lasts up to 2 years. Open the compartment, remove the old battery, and insert the new one with the positive side up, as indicated by the markings. Second, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Pairing issues are often caused by software bugs that are resolved in over-the-air updates. Go to Controls, Software, Software Update on the touchscreen to check for and install any available updates. Third, try restarting the Tesla touchscreen. This can resolve connectivity issues. Make sure the vehicle is in park mode, then press and hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen restarts. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Tesla support. You can use the Tesla app or visit the support website to submit a question or schedule service. They can help diagnose and fix persistent pairing problems. Tesla key fobs incorporate rolling codes, a security feature that generates unique codes for each button press, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept and duplicate signals. This rolling code system ensures that even if a code is captured, it cannot be reused, providing robust protection for your vehicle. The key fob uses a standard CR2032 battery with a lifespan of about 2 years under normal use. When the battery runs low, the fob may become unresponsive, requiring replacement. Always insert the battery with the positive side up, as shown in the diagram. While the key fob operates independently without internet for basic locking and unlocking functions, integrating with the Tesla app allows for remote monitoring and additional features like location tracking and battery status checks. Tesla is trending toward digital keys via smartphones and wearables, offering seamless integration and convenience. They even phased out key fobs for the Cybertruck in 2025, signaling the shift away from physical keys. While physical key fobs remain reliable today, consider using the Tesla app as your primary key for future proofing. Expect to see more biometric access options, like facial recognition, enhancing security and ease of use. Tesla aims to eliminate key fobs entirely by 2030, focusing on digital and biometric solutions. Experts praise Tesla's key fob simplicity, but the move towards digital keys is undeniable. While key fobs offer convenience, digital keys provide greater functionality. As Tesla's ecosystem evolves, focus on understanding both options for optimal vehicle access and security. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Tesla tips and tricks.